Today I asked the question, is it possible to vlog on one of these? Now of course it's possible to vlog with a drone, but why would you want to? Maybe you want to get stabilized footage while walking and talking. Or maybe you want to capture some unique B-roll. Or maybe you want to walk and talk with the drone outside while it tracks you. But how do you go about getting audio from a drone? The simple answer is you don't. Drones don't record audio because it would only sound like a weed whacker the whole time. You actually need to get something like this, the Rode Wireless Go, and connect it to your camera. The reason I wouldn't suggest using your drone as a vlog camera is because after a few seconds, the fans are going to kick in because it's overheating, and it messes up your audio. Take a listen. It's really annoying hearing that sound as I talk to the camera, and I'm sure it's not the most enjoyable sound to hear while listening to this video. The only reason I would recommend using the drone in your vlogs is to enhance the experience, not to use it as the primary camera. So to answer the question that I asked in the beginning, can you use a drone to shoot a vlog? Well, yes, but I wouldn't recommend it. Until next time, I've been Kyle, and I am Iowa's photographer.